guys, this is John with Winemakers Depot and WMD Equipment. The product that we're showing you in this video can be found exclusively on our website. Please be sure to check that out. Also, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Today's video is a short overview of our hydraulic vertical press, otherwise known as a TO press. We carry this press in 4 different sizes. There are 2 features that I want to talk to you about in this video today. The first being the onboard digital control unit. This allows you to set a desired pressure as well as a duration press cycle. This can be an extremely valuable function when crushing fruit such as grapes, as it will always provide you with the highest yield possible. The second feature I wanted to mention in this video is the tilt frame function. Easily remove the skins or mash from your press without killing your back. Trust me, you'll thank me later. As always, these hydraulic presses can be found on our website, so check them out today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.